Hello guys, and this is your host Chinmay. You are watching Clutch Up, and I want to share something with you guys. As you can see, I am riding towards Andheri. This is the JVLR flyover. We are right near the Jogeshwari depot, and here we are going to see something very terrible. As you can see, the scooty guy has fallen. I'll just replay this clip for you guys. So as you guys can see, he fell because the bus came in and he hit the brakes too hard. There was slight undulation near the road, but you can see that it was his fault completely. The bus was pretty far away from his vehicle. This is a problem when you ride without looking straight forward and being unaware of your surroundings. Remember guys, riding safe is only possible when you know what is there in your surroundings. Learn to ride defensively, be safe on the road, be prepared, don't go after protection that can be used after a crash, avoid a crash. So that is it for this video. Subscribe to Clutch Up, and if you found something useful in this video, do hit the like button, share it with your friends, keep them safe. Bye bye, take care.